Hey, YouTube, it's your girl, Africa, Mayte, whatever you want to call me, and I am back with another freaking video. So, today's video, as you guys, I don't know if you guys watched my last video of me doing my hair, but today's video is going to be me teaching you guys how I do my eyeliner, because I get a lot of DMs on Instagram. Ooh, something's in my a lot of DMs on Instagram of you guys asking me how I do them. So this is not going to be a very long video because I do not take 50 hours doing my eyeliner. I just do them, fix them up, and I'm done, ready to go. So let's just get straight into the video. Alright, so the eyeliner I use is NK Makeup liquid eyeliner. I bought this in my local beauty supply store because I'm not going to Sephora just to buy eyeliner. No. So let's just get closer and let's start. As you guys see, I start from the inner corner of my eye, and I start at the very bottom near my waterline, very, very close to my eyelashes, and I work my way out to the corner of my eye on the outside. Then to make my wing, I just shape it going up, and from the corner of that, I go inside and I fill in the rest of the eyeliner. From there, I continue to stroke the eyeliner brush until I like it, and then I do the same thing on the other eye. I will continue to do the other eye off camera.
That's how I do my eyeliner. Yeah? Oh, you make it. This is not how I fully do the eyeliner because I'm not done yet. Oh, no, let me.
Alright, so as you guys can see, they're definitely not the same. And this is my struggle every day. You guys see how crazy my eyes look? Well, one is sharp and beautiful, and the other one's just bold, and I don't know what's going on there. So then, what I do to fix my eyeliner so they can look the same, I get a napkin, I wet it. I know you guys heard that water bottle. I wet it, and then I fix my eyeliner with it. Oh my god. So I fixed it a little. It was worse from when I started the camera, so my sister's sitting in here and she was laughing at it. So when doesn't she laugh at me? Alright guys, so here you can see me fixing the bold eyeliner that I did, and I'm just sharpening it out a little like the other one, because the other one was sharp and then this one was bold, but now I'm sharpening it out. And I know you guys see how one is going up and the other is going down. I will fix this with concealer and a little more water. If you guys are like me and you feel like they look okay, but you're not really sure, you can ask somebody, just like I was asking my sister right here in this clip. So when my eyelashes don't line up with my oh my god, I can't even talk anymore. With my eyeliner, what I do is I grab a small brush like this, and my concealer, and I get a little bit of concealer, a little bit. I don't know if you guys see that, and I try to make it look like the other one. Hold on, wait a minute. Hey, hold on, wait a minute. So I need to wet this brush a little because I just do. So I wet the brush a little bit afterward, and then I do the same thing I did with the concealer. Hold up, wait a minute, let me show you. Slow down, they don't love you like I love you. Ooh, a little hack, you guys. Eyeliner can make your eyelashes longer. Not like actually longer, but like when you do your mascara and everything, just add a little eyeliner to it and it'll pop up a little. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, now you guys know how I do my mascara. My eyeliner is popping now. And that is how I do my eyeliner. Alright guys, so that was the final touch of everything. And I add a little glow in my inner corners. So if you don't like, you don't comment, you don't subscribe, and you don't hit the little bell sign down below, then fuck out of here. Bye.